Welcome to Busi Books. In this video, we will show you how to use property management settings. Create and edit rooms, travel agents, and property. Rooms, how to create a new room. To begin, head to Settings under the Bookings tab. Click on New Room. Enter the necessary details, including room name, rate for extra better packs, number of adults and number of children. Now to save the room, click on Save Changes. Your room is now created. How to edit or deactivate a room. Now to edit the room, go to Settings. Choose the room that you want to edit. Click on the edit icon. Edit the required details. Click on Save Changes. And now to deactivate the room, click on the deactivate icon. And you are done. Travel agents. How to create a new travel agent. To begin, head to Settings under the Bookings tab. Click on Travel Agents, select New Travel Agent. Enter the necessary details, including name, postcode, phone number, etc. Now to save the agent, click on Save Changes. Your travel agent is now created. How to edit or deactivate a travel agent. Now to edit the agent, go to Settings. Click on Travel Agents. Choose the agent that you want to edit. Click on the edit icon. Edit the required details. Click on Save Changes. And now to deactivate the agent, click on the deactivate icon. And you are done. Property. How to edit property details. To begin, head to Settings under the Bookings tab. Click on Property. Enter the necessary details including name, phone, check-in time, checkout time, etc. Click on Save Changes. Your property is updated successfully. Thank you for watching.